Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Woodward's Gripe water will instantly stop hiccups of my baby. Let's get started. My baby is getting hiccups now. Let's check it out. I'm going to use this Woodward's Gripe water to instantly stop the hiccups. I generally prefer Woodward's Gripe water for my baby hiccups. For a newborn infant, you can give half teaspoon, and for 1 month to 6 months babies, you can give 1 full teaspoon of Gripe water. Baby should be in slanting position. Clean the baby's mouth and neck after giving the Gripe water. See the miracle. The hiccups instantly stopped. This Woodward's Gripe water instantly relieves the colic pain of the baby and also prevents gas formation. The Gripe water will help in the easy digestion of the baby. I consider Gripe water is safe for the babies. If you like the video, please like, hit button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.